All right, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So in today's video, we are working on Connor's truck where we are installing a 12-piece rock light kit. Here you have the actual rock lights themselves, and these came off of Amazon. So if you guys are interested in getting a set of these same rock lights off Amazon, I'll have a link down in the description as well. So as you can see here, on the front one, we got it bolted through the carpet, and then we have them married, you know, black to black, red to red, okay? And then the same thing we have on the back fender liner, plastic, a little bit more easy to drill through. We got them bolted down, got them married here, and then what you don't see is we also have a inline fuse for the battery. We have a toggle switch as well. And we're gonna do 2 in each fender liner for 10 lights. And then we're gonna do an additional 4 lights, 2 on each of the driver, passenger side, and then the rear doors as well. So kind of give us a nice little 360 degree of white lighting. So we just got done with all the fenders, and it is getting extremely cold outside. So Connor and I are still gonna push through this, and now we're gonna run the lines. I say lines, but we're gonna run the wire alongside the truck and daisy chain the lights, and then we'll show you guys once we get finished with the wiring of the lights, the inline fuse, and the toggle switch. And hopefully this turns out great. These aren't RGB lights, these are just straight up white lights. And like I said, if you're interested in getting these lights, I'll have a link down in the description to get these rock lights. All right, here is the current status of where we're at. Connor is wiring up the lights on the passenger side into he's got the power going into the inline fuse. We have obviously we haven't finished tucking all the wires yet, making sure we have enough room for the wires to connect to the switch in the truck. So hopefully we'll have this wrapped up here in just a little bit because it is cold. It is getting cold, and our hands are definitely feeling the effects of it being cold and windy here in Florida. Whatever. Boom. All right, so like I mentioned in the last clip, we got everything buttoned up. Sorry for the wind. Connor and I had some conflict scheduling, and we were able to fit it in this afternoon to finish showing you guys at nighttime what these rock lights look like. And then I'll do a full walk around the truck. We have about 12 rock lights. We have two in each fender well, and then we have 1 on each doorstep, and for a total of 12. So as you can see, I think it looks good. The white lights against the black truck, really, I think it really sets it off, and I think it looks pretty good. And like, if you guys are interested in getting a set of these lights for your vehicle, we will have or I will have a link down in the description as well. It's a little bit more time consuming than you would think. For us, it was the 2 lights that go under the steps. We had to make some custom brackets that we didn't show, but we'll go over that here in just a minute when we interview Connor. But here's just a nice walk around of the truck and how the lights look. I think it looks cool. And then how the front Connor's lift kit kind of gets, like, you know, stamped onto the pavement. I think that looks cool, how it reflects off of that. All right, so one thing that I forgot to show you was where Connor mounted the toggle switch, and he has it mounted here. So the reasoning behind this was this LED light shines down into this cubby and not up. So when the lights are completely off, obviously there's nothing there, and then the light shines down in the cubby, so it doesn't shine or you know creates any nuances for the driver or the passenger with the blue light blinding them right in the eye. All right, so what did you think about the overall install process of the 12 rock lights?
So overall, the process wasn't terrible. It cost a little bit more on the wiring and the connectors than I thought it was going to, and obviously the install, I was expecting it to go much quicker and more seamless, and it took a lot longer. That's not at fault of the rock lights. It's just with Ford, there's a crap load of bolts and clips and little plastic Christmas trees holding all those fender liners in. And then like Tyler said, of course, we had to custom make some fabricate some custom mounts in order to hold the lights underneath the doors on each side, because there's really no bolting locations there. And I didn't want to drill into the frame or into the actual side steps themselves. So I got creative with some scrap metal I had around. Turned out actually really great. We ended up using probably on that truck a total of 50 feet of wire.
No, I think it's more than that.
Well, 50 feet per color.
Oh, okay.
Because the rolls were 30 feet.
Yeah.
So a 30-foot roll will not get you enough on a full-size 4-door truck. It will not get you enough. So just keep that in mind. I would buy 60 feet, and we probably had maybe 5 feet left over.
Not much left over at all.
No, we had scraps left over.
So with the inline fuse, the switch, and the wiring, how much do you think you were in for that?
I think altogether with just wiring, butt connectors, the switch, inline fuse, probably 50, 60 bucks.
Not bad.
Everything. So it wasn't super, the accessories or everything you need to install them isn't super expensive. Like I said, if you get creative with making custom mounts, you can pretty much bolt them anywhere. So I'm super happy with our mounts that we made. It was a very straightforward process. It was just a very in-depth process.
Yeah, easy to mount the lights up.
Yeah.
But the wiring is what's a kick in the butt.
Yeah. And then just taking all the wheel liners out and all that stuff was just
tedious
just because I think there's 22 bolts or 22 things you have to remove just to get the one front liner out.
Yeah, it's a lot.
The back ones were super easy. They're plastic. They're just a little stiff. And then the front ones were carpet, so.
All right, tell them what to do.
What?
Tell them what to do.
What do you mean?
Hit the subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications. Leave us a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. All right, so if you guys are new here, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification, leave this video a big thumbs up, and leave us a comment down below and let us know what you thought about these rock lights that we got off Amazon. And once again, if you're interested in getting these rock lights, we'll have a link down in the description as well. Peace out.